Hello everyone, and I just wanted to make a quick video about poinsettias. These are beautiful seasonal plants that always show up around Christmas time, and they're very beautiful, but they're seasonal and they only last probably once you see them in the stores, take them home, and then normally by January they're already either gone or just kind of like dying out. That's maybe because most people, don't really know how to take care of them. They're so beautiful and they're used to them dying out so fast anyway. So, you know, um, that's probably why they just maybe don't even take the extra care to try to make them last longer. But I have found that if you keep the soil moist, not wet, because you don't want it to be wet because you don't want to run the risk of causing the roots to get rotten or get really soggy and rot out. So I recommend like maybe put a half a cup, like maybe every 7 or 8 days, half a cup of water, just to keep the soil nice and moist. And then if you have a mister, you can mist the plants to make them feel like they are, nice and moist. So that'll help the leaves stay moist, and that is what's going to make them thrive. So these are about a month old now, and they're still doing really good because I have them right next to a really sunny window that gets the most light. So that would be another key, is to put them near a sunny window or a window that gets a lot of light, so that they can be sure to try to last as long as possible. And mist them and check that soil. And you actually really want to definitely make sure you measure the water that you're pouring in. Get a cup measure, something, a regular measuring cup. This is a half a cup size, so you can just pour like a half a cup in there. Just pour that in there. Just pour it right on there, and that's it. And then just keep them next to the sunny window and mist them maybe once or twice a week, because the leaves also take in moisture, and that's gonna make them feel pretty much like the way when they were growing, wherever they came from, because I'm pretty sure it was a lot of them and they were in like a humid type of situation. So yeah, and that's about it. So just enjoy the poinsettias for as long as you can. Make them last for as long as you can. So this is end of December here, and let's just see how long I can make these last. And enjoy your beautiful poinsettias. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check on the like button. Thank you.